Now for a toasty wintertime beverage. Warm milk. No, it's not just warm milk. It's the holidays, not April Fools. And April Fool's jokes are for cowards anyway. I'll probably never make one. This is a tasty drink mix that's kind of like cocoa mix, but without the chocolate. It's going to be a fun alternative. Here's how you make it. On a parchment-lined sheet, place non-fat dry milk and powdered non-dairy creamer. We're going to toast it up in the oven. It's a cool Alton Brown trick. It caramelizes all those milk sugars and makes everything more flavorful. Mix your powders halfway through the cooking. Alright, once it's golden brown, pull it from the oven. Use a parchment sling to place it in a bowl and let it cool completely. Then you can add vanilla. Mix it in. You can mix the clumps out with a fork or a whisk. Me, I'm gonna use my fingers because they're very clean. Alright, grab a nice sized jar. Put a canning funnel on top so we don't make a mess. And add your toasted powders. Powdered sugar. And some finely chopped white chocolate. Oh, and a little bit of salt. Lift it up good and shake, shake. This is your basic mix. And it's good. But I'm going to add a few more flavors that might seem a little odd. First, some grated lemon zest. Not too much. Orange zest works pretty good too. Some nutmeg makes everything taste better. Again, go easy. And finally, some ground white pepper. Not too much. A few grinds, maybe more. Alright, lift it up again, and shake, shake. Once it's done, lift it up and store it in the fridge. It should last about a year. A good rule of thumb to make it is to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of powder to 8 ounces of liquid, like hot milk, or freshly brewed black tea, or espresso. That's a favorite of mine. But honestly, it's good with just water. Here's how you make it. Put some powder into the bottom of a coffee French press. Pour on a little bit of hot water. Whisk to dissolve. And the rest. Alright, now pump it slowly until it's frothy. You can also use a milk frother, but this is quicker and more effective, I think. Once it's frothy, pop off the lid and pour into your favorite mug. All you need now is a rainy day and a nice dessert. Warm milk isn't just warm milk, and it's yummy. If you like that, check out my beverages playlist with recipes from Pokemon, Animal Crossing, and many more. In the meantime, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss a video. See you next time, and happy holidays! Bye!